In this video, you'll learn how complete beginners are earning $100 to $700 a day with no prior experience or fancy tech skills, just by using the tools I'm about to show you, along with a simple to-implement strategy to make money online with the power of artificial intelligence. You may have heard that artificial intelligence is the future of business and industry, but you're not sure how to use it to make money for yourself. I'm telling you now, however, that AI is not as complicated as it appears to be. In fact, most artificial intelligence softwares are quite simple to get started with it and can be proved to be a lucratively leveraged way to make money online. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra money or even replace your current source of income, then this is the video for you. Many people do not realize how much artificial intelligence or AI is impacting our daily lives. Although most people think of AI as something that is only used by large corporations or governments, the truth is that anyone can use it if they just know how. In fact, with the right strategy and system in place, you can start using artificial intelligence to make money right now. That's right. All you need is a computer and an internet connection, and you can start using AI to make money from anywhere in the world. You can even use most of this advanced software on your smartphone when you're on the go. Now that you know what AI is, let's start getting into the nitty-gritty and talk about how you can use it to make some serious cash. For the first step, I want you to go to ClickBank. Just type clickbank.com to your URL bar, then you'll get to this webpage. So, what is ClickBank? ClickBank is an online marketplace that connects digital product creators with affiliate marketers. Affiliate marketers are people who promote products for a commission, and they can do this by creating blog posts, recording videos, or even writing ebooks. When someone buys a product through the ClickBank marketplace, the creator of the product pays a commission to the affiliate marketer who promoted it. This system is a win-win for both parties involved. The creator of the product gets more exposure in sales, and the affiliate marketer earns some extra money for their efforts. And in this method that I'm going to show you, you are going to be a successful affiliate marketer in no time. On this website, you're going to want to go over the affiliate section. Just go ahead and click on that. As you can see here, welcome to the world's leading affiliate marketplace. Over 100,000 affiliates worldwide choose ClickBank as their preferred marketplace, and for good reason. We've paid over $5.5 billion in commissions on time since 1999. Sign up for a free ClickBank account to access quality products, reliable tracking, and high commissions. So ClickBank is really the leading affiliate marketplace, and it's been around for a long time. And not only that, but they also pay their affiliates really well. When you scroll down a bit, you will see the 6 ways how ClickBank is going to help you earn money. First is their reliable payments. The website says that they have an impeccable reputation for reliable payments. ClickBank has never missed a payment since launching in 1999. Second is their top-performing offers. They offer some of the highest commissions in the industry, including revenue share and CPA. They say that their customized order forms lead to higher conversions. The third one is high-quality products. Comprehensive product approval ensures all products are vetted for FDA/FTC compliance, and they monitor product quality rates based on refunds. Next is accurate tracking. Their device-level tracking ensures you get paid for every single sale. ClickBank ranks products by top conversions, so you know how they are performing. Aside from that, they also have dedicated support. Up-and-coming and premier businesses receive dedicated account management, plus access to exclusive networking events to build strategic partnerships. Lastly, they can help you with training and education. ClickBank's Spark platform educates new and existing affiliates with in-depth online marketing training, created by their own team of experts. So if you're looking to get started with affiliate marketing, ClickBank is definitely the way to go. To start, just click on the button right over here. Here, they will ask you a series of questions to customize your ClickBank experience. Just fill out the form truthfully and accurately, then click on the Submit button at the bottom. Just create your own account and provide all the necessary information. Once you have your account, now you're going to want to look for high-selling products. Let's use this blog right here as an example. As you can see here, ClickBank Top Products of the Month. Just scroll down and look for the best product that you want to sell. There are a lot of factors that you need to consider when choosing a product, but the most important thing is that it's something that you're passionate about or at least interested in, and also has a high gravity score. Once you've found a product that you want to promote, just go ahead and check its landing page. For video purposes, let's go ahead and choose this one. As you can see with this dietary supplement called Protox, you'll have around $139 APV or average payout value. Let's say you're gonna wanna use that one. Make sure to grab your affiliate link by clicking here. Now, you're probably wondering, where is the AI tool here? How does AI fit into this process? Before we proceed with the next steps, if this video fits your interests and you are enjoying this journey so far, make sure to like this video and feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, this is where artificial intelligence comes into play. I want you to go over a website called lovo.ai. Lovo is a tool that will help you create artificial intelligence voiceovers that you can use for your videos to promote affiliate products. In fact, there are also other artificial intelligence voiceover websites like Well Said Labs, Murph, and Play HT that can also make stunning voiceovers for you. But for now, let's just focus on using Lovo. As you can see here, next generation AI voiceover and text-to-speech platform with human-like voices. A new universe awaits. What's great about this tool is that it's very easy to use. You don't need any prior experience in AI or anything like that. The platform just uses artificial intelligence to create realistic sounding voices. In fact, when you scroll down a bit, you can actually try these AI voices for yourself. You can choose if it will be used for audiobooks, ads, games, learning, documentary, cartoon, or turn into something funny. The coolest thing about this is that you can even get someone else's voice and make it your own. The website says here, custom voices. Mind-blowing voice cloning technology requires just 15 minutes of a target voice to create your customized voice skin. That means you can get the voice of your favorite celebrity, YouTuber, athlete, or anyone else that you want, and make it sound like they're the one doing the voiceover for your video. How cool is that? Now, there are a lot of other features on this website that I'm not going to get into because we're just focusing on creating an AI voiceover for our affiliate marketing videos. But if you're curious and you want to check out the other stuff that this website offers, feel free to do so. Also, if you're wondering what to say in these voiceovers, you could always just search up articles similar to your offer, then use a free tool like Quillbot to spin the content. Then just copy and paste the finished product into Lovo. The next thing that you want to use is InVideo. InVideo is an artificial intelligence video editing tool that you can use to create professional-looking videos for your affiliate products. Actually, there are other AI video editing websites available like Wave Video and Descript that can produce great videos for you too. If you're interested in learning more about this website, make sure to check our previous video for an in-depth explanation. Again, we'll link it in the description below and somewhere in this video as well. For the time being, let's just focus on using InVideo. What's great about this tool is that it has a lot of features that will help you create videos quickly and easily. You don't need any prior experience in video editing or anything like that. Just follow the instructions on the website and you'll be good to go. Just go ahead and create your account for free. Once you sign up, you'll be brought to the dashboard where you can start creating your video. There are a lot of templates that you can choose from. Just pick one that you think will be best for promoting your affiliate product. Now, since the ClickBank offer we're going to promote is ProTalks, a dietary supplement, you'll want to go to Templates, then click on Landscape for the aspect ratio. After that, select Sales and Offers for the type, and lastly choose Health and Fitness for the industry. Let's use this template as an example. As you can see in the preview, the content already suits the product we're going to promote. The only thing left to do is personalize the videos, images, and text to our preferences. Keep in mind that the video should properly introduce the product and at the same time explain why people need it. After that, we're good to go. Now, you can already see how the AI generates ads, and that's all people do with it to make money. This is how individuals without any experience make money by not even showing their faces on camera. Once you created these AI-generated videos and applied the voiceovers from Lovo and the affiliate products from ClickBank, you will now have a video that's ready to be uploaded on the internet. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to upload your video on YouTube. Make sure to title your video something catchy and attention-grabbing. Your thumbnail also plays a big role in this, so make sure that it looks good. And finally, don't forget to put your affiliate link in the description box so people can click on it and be redirected to the product's landing page. Let's use this video as an example. As you see here, the channel called The Goodies mentioned an affiliate link in their description box, leading people to a product on Amazon called Carlisle. This is a perfect example of a successful marketing video. And when we look up The Goodies in Social Blade, we can see that this channel earns up to $2,000 monthly with the views alone. When we check Social Blade's FAQ section, they calculate the channel's earnings by simply taking a low CPM value of 25 cents and a high CPM value of $4 and multiplying them by the number of views the channel gets per day. Again, this is just an estimate, so the real CPM of the channel could easily be 5 to 10 times higher than that. Now just think of their earnings if they include affiliate links in all of their videos. The earnings could easily go up exponentially if they know how to properly do this. And there are tons of affiliate channels on YouTube that are making a lot of money doing this. Some of them are even earning up to $30,000 per month just by promoting ClickBank products using the same method we did earlier while also getting paid for views. This just goes to show how powerful this method is and how much money you can potentially make with it.